Hello everybody. My last SpheroPlane project was this really nice big she oak fruit bowl. Turned out beautiful, but was a lot of carving just due to the size. So today I'm trying something a bit smaller. I've got this Jarrah Burl here. Really quite interesting timber. As we know, those Jarrah Burls, they're rock hard, so it'll be a good test for the SpheroPlane. I will try to do more like a plate, so a very shallow platter with this one. I'm trying to push it a bit to the edge here to get some of that interesting grain. So yeah, let's see how we go. Alright, so that's the inside all carved here, and I already sanded it right away while it's nice and stable. So you can see that the timber is no oil in it, but I can already tell it's gonna come up really, really beautiful. It went extremely quick and easy. I measured the height here and the depth on a regular base. That's important, so I'm down to maybe 10 millimeter here. So I can't go much further out, otherwise I'll go down. So very happy with it. Now we're going to turn it around and do the outside. As you always do with the SpheroPlane, you start from the outside. I have my rings here. I'll probably leave the base like this and work myself in. I'm planning to have the wall thickness fairly thin, and that could be a bit nerve-wracking here depending how that breaks off. But I think if I can achieve the thin wall thickness, going to look really, really nice. Instructions again, I say you start from the outside. Go on the website. If you haven't watched it yet, there's some great how-to videos exactly explaining how you make a bowl. So there's more information on those videos. All right, let's see how we go.